Olha a explosão quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão, chão, chão.
Hello smart people, Mr. H here. This is the second part of Unit 2 IAB test, Analyze and Solve an Equation. Okay, we're on the back side of the first page. Word problem. We're going to focus on y equal to mx plus b form. So slope, tell you rise over run, but in word problem, it's going to tell you something in pattern. So the term per, every, and each will give away the slope. $5 per pencil, $5 every pencil, $5 each pencil. That is tell you every pencil you have to pay $5 is the pattern or the cost of one unit. Okay, B is normally is represent for the beginning, the initial value. Okay, and the start with something you already have. Okay, any keyword that tell you is the beginning or is one time paying for something. Okay, only once. It's not continuing paying like the slope. Alright, problem 8. Problem 8. A phone company offered 2 monthly plans. Plan A costs $10 plus additional 0.16 for each minute of call. Plan B costs $19 plus additional 0.12 for each minute of call. So we see the keyword here is each. Each, every, per. That will tell you this is slope. Okay, so we have y equal to mx plus b. So in this case, your slope is 0.16. X plus the beginning is one-time payment is $10. Okay, plan A costs $10 plus additional. See, so $10 the beginning and additional, which is something you're gonna pay per minute, which is 0.16. Same thing for plan B. So y equal to plan B costs $19 plus additional 12 cents for each minute. So that will tell you slope. So that will be 0.12x plus 19. Now, beside that, there's one more thing you need to notice, to see. Slope, tell you the pattern, right? And x normally go with slope. Mx, they go side by side. So if 0.12 is the slope, then your x value will represent minute. You see it? 0.16 is slope. Then follow with each is the minute of call. So x represent the minutes of call. So please be aware of that. That's going to help you write your answer in a complete sentence easier. Alright, so we have the system of 2 equations, 2 variables. How do you solve for this? So we're going to solve this by substitution method. You're going to put this in place of y. Okay, that will give you 0.16x plus 10 equal to the other side, which is 0.12x plus 19. Okay, as we practiced earlier, if you have variable to both sides like this, what do you have to do? You have to bring one of them over. So we're going to subtract 0.12x to both sides. Okay, I prefer to bring a small number to the bigger number, so I end up with a positive answer. In this case, between 0.16 and 0.12, 0.12 is smaller, so that's why I bring it over to 0.16. So 0.12 minus 0.12, we cancel them out, bring down the 19. 0.16 minus 0.12 is 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So it's 0.04x plus 10. Why I'm slow down here? This is the common mistake. A lot of students will write the answer at 0.4. They miss out a 0. It's 0.04. Alright, I'm gonna take this, bring it up here because we're running out of space. 0.04x plus 10 equal to 19. So continue solving for x. We're gonna subtract 10 to both sides. That will give you 0.04x equal to 9. 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay, so and then we divide 0.04 to both sides. Okay, so x equal to 9 divided by 0.04, which is 225. 225. And earlier we said that if 0.16 is the slope, which is m, the thing go with m is x. X represent for minute. So that is 225 minutes. Okay. What is the cost when two plans cost the same? So we know that two plans cost the same as 225 minutes, but we need to plug it in to see how much does this actually cost. So we're going to take this, plug into either first or second equation. It doesn't matter which one you plug in, you will have the same answer. I would choose the second one because it look easier. Y equal to 0.12x plus 19. And we know our x is 225 minutes. So basically we see how much does this cost for 225 minutes calls. Okay. So 0.12 times 225. 0.12 times 225, which is $27 plus 19. So that will be plus 27 plus 19. That would be $46. Okay. Again, earlier I said that you can plug it in either the first or second equation. If you don't believe, plug in 225 into the first equation. You have to have $46. Okay. So if you have something else, please check your work. But it's supposed to be the same answer. Alright, that's it for problem 8. Now we go to problem number 9. The sugar sweet company will choose from 2 companies to transport sugar to the market. The first company charged $3,597 to rent a truck plus additional fee $175.75 for each ton of sugar. The second company charged $4,500 to rent a truck plus additional fee is $150 for each ton of sugar. What the cost when 2 companies charge the same? Okay, so I'm gonna move faster this time because the similar question like we did. Y equal to mx plus b, which is the first equation. You see the each right here. That tells you your slope is 175.75x plus one-time payment with the initial fee is $3,597. Second equation, y equal to each, tell you this is slope, is 100.50 x plus 4,500. Okay, same method that we did. We're gonna use substitution. So you're gonna plug this in place of y. We will have 175.75x plus 3,597 equal to 150x plus 4,500. Alright, so we're going to solve for x. As usual, if you have variable to both sides, you're going to bring one of them to the other side. So subtract 100.50x to both sides. Okay, so we will have this cancel out. 2.75, 75.25x plus 3,597 equal to 4,500. So what we're going to do next is subtract the constant with a 3,597. Subtract. We will end up with 75.25x equal to 4,500 minus 3,597, which is 903. I'm going to bring it up here. 75.25x equal to 903. Divided by 75.25. So x equal to 903 divided by 75.25. That will be 12. X equal to 12. So 12 of what? Okay, remember earlier I said that slope is 100.50 because it's go with it each. So after that we'll tell you what your x is, which is 12. X is 12 tons of sugar. 12 tons of sugar. Alright, so now we're going to find out how much does this cost. What is the cost when two companies chart the same? So 12 tons of sugar is when two companies chart the same price. I'm going to plug in the second one. Same reason, it looks easier. So y equal to 150x plus 4,500. So we plug in 12. 100.50 times 12 plus 4,500. 150 plus times 12. That will give you 1,206 plus 4,500. So we end up at, it's cost $5,706 to transport 12 tons of sugar, which is cost the same if you use either first company or second company. They will charge you the same price. Alright, we're heading to the last problem for the back side of the first page. Problem 10. The chess club has 60 members and gains a new member every month. Okay, so 60 member gains a new member every month. The film club has 4 members and gain 4 new members every month. Write and solve the system of equation. Find when the number of members in both clubs will be equal. So y equal to mx plus b. Question is 16. What is your slope? 16 are a new member, which means 1. So the keyword we have here is every, each, per, every will tell you your slope. A new member, which means it's 1. So y equal to 1x plus 16. The club has 16 members, I guess, from the beginning. Okay, the second one, film club gain 4 new members every month. So that will be 4x plus original 4 member. And we mentioned about this earlier. What is your x? X will be month. I'm sorry about that. Every month. So x is your month. Okay, so now we're going to solve this by same method, substitution. That will give you 1x plus 16 equal to 4x plus 4. Yeah, variable to both sides, so we're going to solve for x. We're going to subtract 1x to both sides. We will have 1x minus 1x will cancel each other out. You have 16 equal to 3x plus 4. Then we subtract 4 to both sides. 12 equal to 3x. And divide by 3 to both sides. So x equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. So for what? We just say every, tell you slope, so after every is your x. This is 4 months. So in 4 months, both clubs are going to have the same member, the same amounts of member. So what we're going to do is take this and plug into either first or second. So y equal to 1x plus 16. So x is 4, which means 1 times 4 plus 16. That will be 20 members. Okay, there we go. Again, you can plug in either first or second. You should have the same answer as 20 members. All the problems take a lot of space, so that's why I didn't write the answer in complete sentence. Please use the PQA to answer your question. For example, in this case, they say that find when the number of members in both clubs will be equal. So you can say that after 4 months, both clubs will have 20 members. Both clubs will have the same amounts of members, which is 20 members. Something like that. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. I will see you on the next video for the next part.